Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new episode on Fusion 360. In this episode we'll be modeling a go-kart. I know I did a previous modeling of a go-kart which had multiple parts about a year ago. But yeah, it didn't go that much well. I was busy around in life, so I couldn't finish it. And people also wanted like a brand new episode where I could really explain how I did it and show them step by step and all that, and go through with them how I designed the go-kart. So in what will be a multi-part series, that's why I'm starting this new episode. So in this episode, we'll be modeling the first part of our go-kart, which is going to be the chassis of our go-kart. Then in the other parts, we're gonna be modeling the wheels, the suspension, all the stuff. So yeah, let's get on with it. The first thing we're gonna be doing is, as I said before, modeling our chassis. Now, before I started this episode, I really had to like take some notes and do some research online, and basically draw out some sketches or plans for my go-kart to give me an idea of what I was gonna really draw. So I'm gonna start out by using the Create Sketch as usual, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the Create Sketch and go on this plane. Now before that, let me just check my okay, it's units. I want to check my units. It's in inches. Sorry. So I will basically start off by doing this. The scale, what's the name? The chassis. I was trying to get on with my chassis, so I want to start with a let's see, center rectangle. And what I'm gonna be doing here is building the base for my chassis. So to build the base, start off with a rectangle, and I'm gonna go here, and let's see how much I can give it. I'm gonna go about let's see, let me go tab. I want to go on this side more, so it's 41 inches. Oh, sorry, 41. Let me zoom out, tab, and the other part I'm gonna be doing is, give me a minute, let me look at my sketches and see how long I want this to be. And we want it to be about let's see, let's bring it in about 20. Let me try 20. Yeah, 20. The next thing, and that's basically what's gonna be our the base of our chassis. So we're gonna be using the pipe tool to basically create basically a pipe or a chassis, a rectangular chassis to go on around this perimeter, and that's gonna be like our base of our sketch. So we're gonna go here. I'm gonna go here, solid, go to pipe, and select this pipe. I'm gonna select this, and automatically it just goes round. I don't want this circular chassis. I want, yeah, rectangular chassis to make things much more easier to sketch. Now let's see, an inch, distance, section size. Let's try 1 inch. No, ooh, that's too big. 1 inch. And that's basically if we're to, the section size basically shows us the cross section size of our chassis. So if we went to buy this off the shelf outside, it might be an inch by an inch by an inch. So basically like a tube. So I want to make this hollow too, to basically simulate a tube chassis. So it's basically hollow in the interior too, with the 1/4 inch thickness. So that's how it's gonna be, with a 1/4 inch thickness. And so we're gonna hit OK. yeah. The next thing we're gonna be doing is building up this way and going down, going a little bit here, just going down, just forming our chassis. So we're gonna go create sketch again, and let me see what I can do up here. Let's try this. I want to sketch this way. Let's go here, turn off our body, turn on this sketch. Okay, so we're gonna be taking the line from here, and we're gonna go here, back here, and I'm gonna. What is happening here? Let's see. Oh, so we're just gonna. Now where is it? It's right here. And we're gonna go up about 18 inches. Let's try 18 inches. On 8. Tab. Enter. Sorry. And we're just gonna go here. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little bit, I don't know if the mic is picking it up, but I have a little bit of a voice problem lately, so yeah, excuse me if my voice is a little bit messed up. So we're gonna go here and select this way, and gonna go like that, and escape, and that's how it's gonna be, and basically that's it. So just gonna go. Let me see if it's our the 18 is really inside. 16 down here. Let's try this. Yeah, that should be good enough. So we're gonna go on this side too and do the same thing, and just come down a little bit. Yeah. So next is this line. Let me see if I can close it up over here. And try again with our pipe. Select this body. And 1 inch square hollow. Everything seems to be great. The only thing that's bothering me is the sharp edge. That's not good. Let's turn on this body. So let's see. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna be filleting this part, and I'm just gonna push this part in a little bit more. Or I am. Let me see. Okay, let's just try new body. So I'm gonna keep these. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna join all these parts together. I'm just gonna keep them separate pieces. Yeah. Just in case if I have to go back and fix something, if some angle wasn't right or something, I can just hop back in there real quick and just fix it. Something is bothering me. Let me just go back here. Just go to home here, and I'm gonna just okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete this one. After deleting that, and I'll just take this, go about here, about 6 inches or 7. Let me try 6. Get it right here. Then I'm gonna go here, just a tiny bit, to help out fill the angle. Or would it would just go down here? So let me just undo. And right here, come on, snap, 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 snap. Finish sketch. Now that should be able to work. Pipe, hit this. Change selection. Is this really? Go here. Oh. Things I hate. So I'm just gonna snap on this thing and just go here at 6. Hit enter. And again, snap right here and snap to the side. Then we're gonna go to solid, and I'm gonna basically hit with the pipe. That should be good. That works now. So why wasn't it working before? What was that all about? New body. Just gonna keep it like that. So as you can see, we're gonna put the motor. The motor is basically gonna go and the rear axle and wheel is just gonna go around here, or this piece right here. So it's just gonna sit right here. Gonna have our stuff here. Gonna have our batteries or junk and all that stuff. Wires and motor and wheel hubs and all that's just gonna go all the way here, and we're just gonna have the steering rack and all that just sit right around this part. So just gonna go again, create sketch, and what I want to do, just create sketch. You're gonna go here again on this side. This time we're going to sketch on the side, so we're just gonna select this, turn off our body, and snap right here, just like the way we did with this thing. So we're just gonna go here, just follow it. Don't worry, I'm not really sketching on this line. I'm sketching on behind that line. So just gonna snap here again. I'm just gonna trace all what we did on that line, and that's gonna automatically translate on that side. Snap, snap, snap. Come on, snap. Okay, that's no snapping. Snap. There you go. That should be good. So we're just gonna hit escape. Go to solid, and let's see, a pipe. Just click this. Turn on our body. New body. Hit OK. As you can see, it's coming out, coming around, basically. Our wheel is gonna sit right here, and I might adjust things a little bit in the post production. So yeah, after I record this, I might go around it and just adjust stuff, but I'll let you know if some things change around, and I might basically show you what I did, so you can correct it if it looks different when on later series. So we're just gonna go again and create our sketch again. Just continue. Let's see. Let me just go here. Side. Line again. And I'm gonna turn off the body. Turn on the sketches. Go here. And snap right here. escape, another line right here. Now let's just leave it. I just want to do everything piece by piece, step by step. So if I have to fix something, I can easily fix it. So I don't, so I don't have any constraints issues going on there. So let's see, let's go here. Pipe again. Select, come on. Body. I always forget to turn on my body. So let's go new body and hit OK. At this point, I will advise you to save your work. Always save your work. Always save your work. Don't forget. It's if you're someone that always forgets to save your work, it's just it's a terrible habit, especially when you're working on a project and something happens and you have to in case if there's no backup saves, you know, sometimes you make your life difficult. You don't want that. So yeah, turn off. Just gonna go here. Just gonna snap here. That should be it. Is it? Let's check. Yep. Perfect. Hit escape. So if you go back to my other drawing or my other design of the go-kart, which I'm gonna after this I'm really gonna change it and indicate, you know, that's an old design so people can, you know, see the new one. So if you go on it, it's a totally a different, you know, approach I took when I was designing that old one. There's a lot of stuff I've basically learned you know, now that I didn't know, or I you know, whatever mistakes I did before, now I know how to, you know, fix them and make it better. So there's a lot of things that I learned. So it's not gonna be the same drawing or the same kart. The go-kart is not gonna be the same one. This is much more simplified version, and that was one of my problems with the old go-kart. I was in over my head. Okay, I was just designing. I wasn't planning. I was just going off the top of my head with things, and it just got complicated real fast. And you know, that was one of the reasons why it made me like try and back off it, and I basically, you know, stopped that project. So yeah, we're just gonna go to pipe. Sorry, I went a little bit off the topic. Just new body. Hit OK. And that's basically how it's gonna go. Yeah. So we'll just create more. We're not done yet. When we're done, it's gonna be nice. It's just gonna be nice. Trust me. Trust me on that one. And I say it's gonna be nice. I want to change this. I want to change this 18. This thing's bothering me. It's really bothering me. I want to change it. And this is one of the reasons why I basically went and what's the word? I went and left this as separate pieces so I can go back and edit stuff. So I'm just gonna go here. Oh, just gonna go here. And around, where is it? This side should be this side. And edit sketch. I'm just gonna go back in time. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, there's been quite a little bit of changes I had to do. Which I would like to cover up. Cover. God, that was so difficult. Cover. Over here. So the things I did was have this angle go this way and up. I just for some space so I can fit some stuff down here, the steering columns and shafts down here. So I had to just give myself a little bit of a space, you know, up here. There's a little bit of a bump, and I changed this over here, as I said before, I changed it to 12. That's all you have to do. So if you're basically still stuck here, so just to go undo a little bit, go back and just kindly change this to 12 inches, and I think it looks much better that way. The 18 was too big, so yeah, that's how we're gonna go. Just gonna go up there, just make those minor changes. So this thing right here, the angle that I went over here is 45, and the length is 2 inches. So just go 45 and 2 and just connect it right there, and do the same to the other side. So the next thing we're gonna be doing is create sketch. I'm gonna continue what I did before. Just gonna go select this side, take your line, go here, and it's just, pipe. We're basically gonna be utilizing that pipe command a lot today. So the theme of this video will be pipes, a lot of pipes, and that makes our work easier. The old with the old drawing I was doing, I manually had to draw rectangles and do it. It's not I wasn't aware of the pipe command. I was just being silly. I forgot there was a pipe command. That was the problem. I know there was a pipe command. I just forgot, and I realized it later on. But I was just like, let me just continue. So I'm gonna draw that line right there, and we're gonna go to pipe. Hit pipe command. Hit the line. Did it work? Nope. Okay, let's try to get pipe. Hit this line, and that should just pop up. New body. Hit OK. There we go. So our package, our whole railroad drive package is just gonna go back here. And I'm thinking of putting a wing somewhere. I might go put a wing around here. That's an afterthought. But I'm considering it. The next thing we're gonna be doing for our chassis is we're just gonna continue selecting this side. Come on. I'm gonna be using the side view a lot to do the same thing we did right here. Line, turn off this body, and after this I will save my work. Actually, I had multiple saves. I now remember. I actually saved this work, so I could have just gone back to the old save and just picked it up from there. Well, I already did it, so it's nothing. It's just gonna go with solid pipe. Select this pipe. Hit body. Turn on the body. Silly me. Hit OK. It's hollow. Okay, as you can see, it's coming along. It's coming along just great. And I just realized what I could have done. I could have just used the mirror command and basically sketched half of this drawing and basically mirror it on the other side. And yeah, I will consider mirroring stuff later on in this. Yeah, but right now I'm just gonna do everything step by step. Again, line, and I need to consider naming these parts too. Naming the parts in the future. Not body 1, body 2. That gets confusing later on. Aside, and that's one advice I give a lot of people. In the engineering field, I always tell them to name their parts whenever we have a project or we're working on something in Inventor or AutoCAD or whatever. I always have to tell them to name their parts, because some people, and that's the thing, people like to get lazy and they just do whatever with it and don't realize later on that they're in a mess and can't figure out what this part is they're looking for. Anyway, sorry, I went on a tangent a little bit. But we're just gonna go, so this part is coming out. Let me fix this a little bit. How much is this part coming out? Let me adjust it back in. Escape. We're gonna be moving this part inside. So I'm just gonna go back and just edit it a little bit. Or I could just fillet it. Is filleting possible? Let's try fillet. Nah, I'm just gonna go back. I'm not gonna be lazy. I'm not gonna have this undo. Oops, redo. My bad. I'm just gonna go to inspect. And what the inspect tool basically does is inspects parts for you. Just use, what is this? Inspect, measure. Show snap points. About here, that should be about, let's see. Secondary units. Nah. Close. I'm not gonna use the inspect. I'm just gonna use a construction line. Draw the line right here. Go here. Just go here. I'm just trying to figure out. Oh wait, is it 3? It should be 3 inches because this is half of it. It looks like half of it. Go here. Let's just go here. So about 0.425 inches. Okay. So we're just gonna go back a little bit on 0.425 inches. So we're just gonna go here, line. I'm just gonna select this. No, I'm gonna go back here. Zero 0.425. 0.425. Tab 0. Hit OK. Okay, so we're just gonna grab this, and hopefully what I did should work. Just gonna grab this line. Just gonna translate it right here. Nope. Translate. Point to point. Let's go over here, and the part is here. Target point. Hit OK. And did that work? No, that didn't work. I'm just gonna delete this. Delete. Oh no, I don't want this. Just gonna delete this line. Delete. Just gonna go back up over here. Snap. And delete this line. Oh. Come on. Snap. Nope. I hate when Fusion does this. It's gotta, come on. I know it. Where is the line? Where is it? There you go. Delete. Finally. That should be the end of our story. There. Put a pipe. Select. Turn on the body. New body. Hit OK. And that should fix it. So now we basically sit a little bit inside, but that's okay. I like it like that. It's just okay. That's good in my books. Everything is good. So we're basically about 5.6. That doesn't matter. So next thing we're gonna be doing is do the same thing we did down here. Just gonna turn off the body again. Just gonna trace. I'm just gonna be tracing this line using our construction line. We're just gonna construct this line right here. Okay. Turn it off. Go back here. Snap. Come on. I'm just gonna snap. There. Enter. Sketch. Pipe. Turn our body on. New body. Hit OK. Okay, next is a lot of pipes, I know. But the results are worth it. I always say that the results are worth it because, you know, sometimes things seem too complicated or things just seem a lot, but you have to just have patience sometimes, you know. So just gonna go down here again. Did I snap right there? Where did I snap from? Oh, that's terrible. Come on. Okay. So turn off the body. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna select line. Yeah, my computer seems to be having problems now. It doesn't like that I'm doing all these pipes. But we will carry on. We'll carry on. We'll just soldier on. Solid again. Pipe. Hit the pipe. Pipes. New body. Hit OK. So yeah, things are getting really toasty with my computer, but it's because I have all these separate pieces. That's why. It's nothing, but it's nothing. So we will carry on. We're almost done. We're almost done. So let's just quick sketch again. Line. Just turn off. I want to just turn off all these bodies. Let me just turn off all the bodies. Let me check something. Gotta check. Just to be sure that's really what I did. Okay, that's good. It should be fine. Yeah, I wanted this to match up with this, but looks like we will be fine. We will have our 6 inches on this side, so that should be good. So turn off this body, and where is it? Where were we? Snap right here. Tab 90. Tab what was it? 12? Yep. Okay. And we will pipe it. It's not visible, please. Okay. That's good. That is good. We're almost there. Almost there. So I want to create like a crumple zone and a so you know, like, so when in case if we crash, our legs are not gonna turn into mashed potatoes. We don't want that. That's worst nightmare, to have your feet get, you know, slammed there. So I want to create around here at a 45 again, and create a little bit of a loop on this middle. It's down here, and create that 45. So what we're gonna do right here, create sketch. Once again, use our side, turn off this body, and also that's gonna serve as a secondary mounting point on that side for us. Let's see, you're going up with the arc, 3-point arc. Just gonna select this, select that, and as you can see, our arc is pointing. Where is our arc pointing? Okay, just gonna reduce it. Just tiny bit, tiny bit, tiny bit. Go in, come on, come on, come on. No, no, this is not working. This is not working. Escape, escape, escape. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using the, where is it? I'm gonna be using the line. I'm just gonna fillet. Just gonna fillet. I wanna get that perfect 45. Again, tab is 45. And get up to, let's see, a 6. Let's put a 5. Let's put it 5. Nope. Tab 45. No. Tab 4. God, this mess. Tab 45. Tab 5. Okay. Let's see. Hit enter. Go here. Same thing. Tab 45. Tab 5. Tab 5. Hit enter. And we're just gonna go here. Like so. Now, then I'm gonna use circle, arc, 3 points, and control that node right here. There we go. And that should give me the perfect place I can put. Yeah, that's good. That way we don't have our feet, you know, just in case if we crash, this might, you know, help us slow down. Just gonna do that. The next thing we're gonna do is hit escape. Just gonna delete. Oh, shift, just delete. Delete these lines. Delete. And pipe. Hit this command and go pipe. Go new body. Square pipe. Hit OK. That should be perfect. I want to trace this part. I want to go make sure this part connects to that part too. So I want to try and see if I can connect the line from here to here and have it join up over there. Or I could just leave it. Yeah, I'll leave it. Yeah. So that's almost, we're almost there. Almost. Just gonna go again. So create body. So the next episode we're gonna build the motor mounts. The motor mounts and the steering rack and the wheel mounts and all that. It's just gonna go in this side. So yeah. Just gonna go here, create. Decide. Come on. Okay. So we gotta brace our more structural for structural integrity. So we gotta make sure we brace this up. So we're gonna go here, here. Just do the same thing. 45s, and we're just gonna do this the same thing under this thing to create more structural rigidity. I love that word. So we're just gonna go here, turn off this body. Yeah, I think I need to start over and get a new record this video, because my recorder and the screen recorder and the Fusion is just creating a lot of heat, and my CPU is working hard like crazy. So I think I need to, next episode I might run on a different computer. Let's save all this, because I'm having it doesn't look like it, but things are very slow right now. Anyway, I went off topic again. Anyway, we're just gonna go here, tab 45. Oh, this side. I hope this is the line. Yep, it is. It is. Just gonna go here, and this should trim. Nope. It's not trimming. Let's see if I can snap on this line. Nope. Can I? Should I? Will I? Could I? Undo. So we just let's see. Undo. Line. Turn off the body. And we just got to turn on all these things on. I need a better view of what I'm doing. I think finally I'm snapping. I should be able to snap. At 30. Let's try tab 45. This way. I'm gonna get very close to this. It seems not to snap to that line because that line is not part of it. So I'm just gonna get very, very close. As close as I can get. Here. Go there. It's another 45, tab 45. No, I want to go this way. Let me give it a 90. Tab 90. Yep, that's much more better. This one, tab 45. Nope, 90. Again. I'm just gonna get as close as I can get as possible. And that should be good. And another 45. And I'll basically join it to this side after this 45. Am I on? No. Okay, tab 90. Snap, snap, come on, snap, snap. Snap, there you go. That's it. I'm just gonna go here. Support this line. Triangles, triangles. If you're designing a chassis body system for anything, triangles and squares are your best friend. You can throw circles out the window. It has its uses, but you could throw circles out the window. It's just that's just me. Okay, just because if you want the best structural integrity, anything that's structural integrity, it's usually triangles that's being used a lot. So that's good. Hit escape. Yeah. So just gonna go here. Pipe. I still stand true to it though. Yeah. If you agree with me, great. If you don't, well, trust me. Okay, so slight issue that I would like to fix. It's nothing a couple of fillets can't fix. I'm not gonna go back and redo it if you think I am. Just a couple of fillets will do. Just tiny fillets. Just gonna, there you go. If you're building this in real life and you have to make these 45-degree angles, by the way, that seems to come out like that, you basically compensate. Everything I'm doing right here, if it's you can really do it in real life, but it's just not exactly to the dimensions that I'm creating over here. Here's much more on the theoretical side. It's just much more theory going on here. But you can build exactly this, but it's just gonna be different. You're just gonna have things that are just different, like these little angles right here. Let's just fillet this. Either you're gonna be, and this from experience, either you're gonna be compensating for that little protrusion over here by designing a basically compensating by editing your design like that, or you're gonna be filing a lot, and it's not fun to file. Okay, I'm telling you, it's not fun when you have a piece that sticks out a lot and you have to file it down because it's already designed and you can't go back and undo whatever you've done. So yeah, compensate or file. Pick your poison. Fillet. Just try fillet. See if I can do multiple fillet. It's possible. Should be possible. Nope. Is it? thought I could do a multiple fillet, but apparently not. Or let me try fillet. Here's what I'm gonna be doing. Save myself the time. I'm gonna be mirroring. I know I don't want to get into mirroring, but I have to mirror. Because save time. Oh, ooh. Yeah, our wheel mount is just gonna fit slot right into there. It's just gonna that should be enough room for our wheel mount to go right here. Just gonna sit right in this cavity. Yeah, I want to sit right in this cavity. Yep, that's great. That's good. So we're just gonna go to mirror, and where is the mirror? Mirror on the wall. Where are you? Should be around here. There it is. I'm gonna mirror this body. Object plane. Let's see. Beautiful. New body. Hit OK. And there we go. We could have saved ourselves a lot of stress. Last thing we're gonna be doing is, as you can see, it's already been done for us. X. Just gonna create a giant X shape in here. Create sketch. And where is it? Just gonna click this again. Line. Let's line it up. I'm gonna go here, turn this chunk off. Here's what I'm gonna do. Either I'm gonna, yeah, this is not doing. Just select this side. Just gonna go down here. Am I on the base? Yep. I'm just gonna go here. Escape. Select line again. Snap right here. Snap here. And time for the party trick. Work? Nope. Pipe. Why isn't it not? Cancel. Cancel. Shift and select. Nope, we don't want that. We want the pipe. It's not working. Guess I gotta do it manually then. Body. Hit OK. Go to sketch again. Turn it on. Not off. That should work, hopefully. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. New body. And there you go. And that sits right comfortably right there, holding everything together in perfect harmony. I'm gonna be getting one more X's going on here too, and one more here, just to be on the safe side. So I'm just gonna join this. Hit OK. Let's create a nice little piece for us. one more X. I could just leave it. Yeah, I'll leave it. Save our work. Yeah. So basically, this is the beginning of our would-be go-kart. It's already looking great from my point of view. Everything is coming up great. So in the next episode, basically, we are gonna be, what is going on here? We are gonna be creating the mounts. It's gonna be the wheel mounts back here, and the steering column mount. That's what we're gonna be working on in the next episode. So I hope you enjoy the series. I hope you like, comment, anything you wanna any idea, any suggestions you have. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and the last thing you need to do is hit that subscribe button so we go up. And yeah, see you next time. It's been fun. Goodbye.